Hi, this is Itziar from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn about the integration between BIM, an asset and maintenance management system, and Acumatica, the Cloud ERP. Let's get started. I am logging into Acumatica right now to show you how the two products work together. First of all, I'm going to go to the Finance tab where we can find all the fixed assets, and I will add a new one. As you can see, I am only filling out the mandatory fields for this machine under the Equipment class. I am going to save it, and then I'll go to the Asset Summary section where we can find that new asset at the bottom with the ID 19th. By automating the execution of the integration file every few seconds, we make sure that the assets we have on Acumatica are also available on BIM. If I now reload the equipment list on BIM, we'll see that a new asset with ID 19th has been added to the system, and that the mandatory fields in bold match the information retrieved from Acumatica. The communication between the platforms works both ways, which means if I now make a change here, it will also appear on Acumatica. Let's go back to check that change, and as you can see, the asset description has indeed been updated. Apart from the fixed asset section, we have also integrated the inventory information, since there is a module on BIM dedicated to inventory management. For example, this computer, available in two different warehouses, can also be found on BIM. I am going to access the Material Management section and look for that item. I can filter the results to get the ones coming from Acumatica, and you can see that the top element in the list is that same computer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about BIM, make sure to watch this next video.